Hello all. In this video I am going to solve some of the problems in the addition. The previous video I have given some information about it about the addition. You please watch the video on the YouTube or Facebook. Okay, then you come into this video. It will be very helpful to you. The first question here, it is arrange the numbers from greatest to smallest. Okay, so this is the question they have given. You check here, seeing the question, it is easy, but it is not that much easy for you people, right? The first class 1 student, right? Only in your school, it is in your school, you know the basic addition, right? You know the basic addition. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. This way your teacher told you. But here in this case, what happened, you see? 4 plus 6, it is A option. 20 plus 2, B option. So 12 plus 17, C option. 13 plus 5, D option, it is there. Okay, then here B, C, A, D, D, A, C, B, something and all they are given, right? But here, first of all, the people, first standard people, what you have to do, no? First you have to add the numbers. Okay, this number A in sense, it is like 10. 4 plus 6 is 10. Right? This is A is what? It is, what A is 10. B option is 22. C, 20 plus 2 is 22. C, 12 plus 17. You have to take some time. But what to do? We have to do it. So 12 plus 17. Yes. 7 plus 2. 9. 1 plus 1. 2. 29. Yes. And 13 plus 5. D option is what? 13 plus 5. It is 18. Okay, so 10, 22, 29 and 18 is your answer now. This is not your answer now. See guys, this is not your answer. Here you have to arrange the numbers from greatest to smallest. Okay, greatest means greatest to smallest. This is descending order. Okay, when you are doing some thing means a basic thing you have to know. Addition, ascending order to descending order to ascending order. So some basic thing you have to know. So here greatest to smallest means the first number is what? Bigger number, right? So 29 and then 29, then 22, then it is 18, then 10. Right? 29, 22, descending order I have written. In sense, bigger number to smaller number I have arranged the numbers. So according to that, correspondingly, what is 29 means what? C. 22, B. 18, D. And 10, it is A. So this option, where is here? Where is this? This option, this is not A, this is not. And this is the one I think. C, B, D, A. Yes, this is your option. See how it is. So only they won't ask you 4 plus is equal to 10. No. In the Olympiad exam, they don't ask like this. Okay, so this way they will ask you. Choosing the option is also a bit difficult. Okay, so whenever you're going for second standard, third, fourth, and all, people will be growing. You'll be all doing all many sums. So they will be okay. But in the class 1 students, you have to choose the correct option also. Once you've done the problem is not good. See, every answers if you have done properly. Okay, choosing that option is wrong means the entire sum will go wrong. Yes, so you have to be very careful on choosing the options also. Okay guys. The second sum, so you have seen this abacus. Okay, in this abacus, which number is notifies you? Tell me. Ones place 1, 2, 3. This is 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 beats are there. So it is 5. 53 this is. And addition, it is plus 1, 2, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Okay. So 53 plus 42 you have to do it. 53 plus 42. So what is your answer? Ones place and tens place. You have to add 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 95. 95, some people they will be taking this 95 here. Whenever they are choosing the numbers, they will be this one 59 they will choose. You know. So this mistake should not happen. 95 means, you see here 95 is here. juniors and all, they will be doing this mistake. 95, they will get the answer. While choosing the option, they will go wrong. Okay, so this is 95. 95, I have ticked it. Then third sum. If Prabhu add a number to 36, he will get 38. What is he adding? Guys, I'll tell you one thing. In the statement problems, if you're not getting it, okay, once you read it, definitely some people will get, some people will not get what they're telling. Again you read it, okay, definitely you'll be getting it. Okay, once you read it, if you're not getting, don't skip the sum. Next sum if you're going, means it is not the good way. Okay, once you read it, if you're not getting, please read once again. Right? So again I am reading, you see, if Prabhu add a number to 36, he will get 38. What is he adding? Okay, so 36, it is 36 he is adding. Right, first I will rub this, I will get one. Here, Prabhu is add a number to 36, right? Number to 36 means addend is what? Is 36 plus one box, something, one number is adding, some number is addend. Okay, these two are addend. So what is your sum you are getting? What is your answer he is getting? He will get 38. Addend should be two numbers. One number is 36. The another number you don't know. That you have to get it. So 36 plus box is equal to 38. So what number it should come here? What number? 36 is there. Okay. So you have to reach 38 na. So 37, 38 means you have to reach here one time, two time. So 2 I have to write it. 36 is there. Again I will tell you 36 is there. 37, 38. Two numbers you have to add to reach 38. Okay. Another way also I can tell. You can subtract this 38 minus 36. Then also you will be getting 2. But class 1 students, I will be telling to reach this. 36 is there to reach 38. So you will be adding this 2. 36 is there, 37, 38. How many numbers are there still? 2 numbers. 2 numbers you write it. So that is 36 plus 2 is 38. Okay guys. Yeah. Then fourth sum. A boy jumps 3 steps from 0 and then 2 steps. Where will he reach? Okay. So 3 steps from 0 and then 2 steps means you have to go for the number line. Number line, I told you in the previous video, I told about the number line. So 0, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it is going on. Okay. A boy jumps 3 steps. So 3 steps from 0. Directly he jumped this 3. Right. And then 2 steps. 2 step means what? Here 1, again 2. So directly he jumped here, again 1, it is 2. So where he reached, the answer is 5. 5th step he reached. Yes, 5th step he reached. So once you draw the number line, it will be very easy to you. Okay guys. So this some of the small sums I have given in this video. Okay, once you practice, you will be having more number of problems. And the next video I can do the subtraction. Right? Thank you. To get more updates, please like, share and subscribe Vidya Tuition Center Facebook page and YouTube channel. We are conducting online classes for all standards and all subjects. Please call us at 98861 34547 and WhatsApp call at 89711 28992. Thank you.